Good morning, students. I hope you all are keeping good. So, today we are going to finish the 10th lesson, the communication. Okay, so already you have learned and you might have read also the lesson, the communication, the different types of communication. There is a mass communication, individual communication, and the development of the communication, how it developed, and what are the different means of communication. So today we are going to see about the satellite communication. Through the satellite, how we are getting the information and the knowledge, different types of program, any part of program that is happening in the world, that also we can get through the satellite communication. So satellite also is helping us to communicate with the other part of the world also. So here we begin our satellite communication. Since the earth is round, sending radio and television signals around the world was a problem. Okay, since the earth is round, it was difficult to send the radio and television signal around the world. Communication satellites solved this problem. So the communication satellite has solved this problem of sending the signal. It is because of these satellites that you can see events, means any program such as cricket matches being played in England or West Indies live on your television. So any part of the world the events are happening, we can see the live. Live means what is exactly happening, same time we can see through the television the live programs. Telephone and computer signals are also sent to the other countries through the satellite. Suppose we want to, nowadays we see the video calls, any part of the world, any relatives or somebody is living in any other country. Then if you want to have the video chat, we can speak directly to the people, then and there we can see them. So all these things are happening with the help of the satellites. So this has solved all the problems which was before. Yes, here a communication satellite orbiting the earth. It is moving around the earth and sending whatever is happening. So our main chapters are over, and now just we'll revise the lesson. People are able to communicate because of the development of the language. So first of all, the language development was very important. So suppose everybody is speaking different languages, then it will be very difficult to communicate. So there was a language development, same type of language development. Then only the communication was possible. Then next comes the telephone is the fastest means of the convenient means of the sending spoken messages. Mobile phone can be carried wherever we go. So before it was the wire telephone, now it is the wireless mobile phone. We can carry any place to this mobile. So it has become very easy to communicate with the people wherever via. Next is copies of documents. Means any important things we want to send to the people or other person. Written documents can be sent instantly through a fax machine connected to a telephone line. So this also, it was before written copy we can send to any other person whomever we want if there is a fax machine. Email can be sent through a computer with an internet connection. So if there is an internet connection, we can send the email. The printed word in the form of book, newspaper and magazines is an important means of mass communication. So books are printed, newspaper also is printed, magazines are also printed. So these are the printed messages or the means of communication. Next comes the radio is the cheapest means of mass communication. Cheapest means बहुत ही सस्ता. Next comes the seventh one. Television is the most popular means of mass communication. So everybody want to watch the picture or means at the same time we can listen, speaking and see the picture also. So most of the people they like to see television. The internet is the fastest and the efficient way to send the information around the world. So now internet has connected the whole world. Communication satellites have made it possible to send television, telephone and computer signals efficiently around the world. So this also is the most important means of communication. It has made very easy for the people to communicate to any part of the world. So once you read this also, okay, then you will be able to understand better. If you read only, then only we will understand better. Okay, then word meaning also you can learn here. Words to remember. Communication, exchange of information between the people and between people. Fax is a system of sending documents and pictures over the telephone lines. Internet is a huge network of computer all over the world. So all these things you have to learn. Then it will be easy for you to understand the lesson. So here exercises are there. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Identify the means of communication from the following clues. So clues are given. You have to understand and fill in the blanks. The next comes the B. Write T for true and F for false sentences. So this also will be homework. Okay. And next comes the question and answers. Answer the following questions. How did early humans communicated with each other? Second one is, what made it possible for humans to become better communicators than animals? What is mass communication? List 3 means by which you can send a written messages to another person. Name 4 means of mass communication. Why is television the most popular means of mass communication? Why is the internet called the information superhighway? How did satellites improve communication? There are 8 questions. So these answers I will be sending through the PDF, and the hot question answers also I will send. So these things you will write in your notebook. but that fill in the blanks true and false will be the homework, and multiple choice also, this also will be homework. Okay, then this one and this one also, this is the enrichment activity, so you can do since you are at home. So after not necessary to complete all the homeworks today you can write the notes, then tomorrow is Sunday, so tomorrow you can do the homework. Okay children, so please do your homework plus you write the notes also, so it will be easy for you to do all your works properly. Okay, so complete your work. Thank you and take care of yourself also.